Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to manage app permissions on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, and then we have to scroll down a bit and find privacy option. Right here in the privacy option we can open permission manager, and here we can choose, for example, permission to camera. And now right here we can choose what apps we want to allow to this permission and what apps we don't want to. And we can do this with whatever permission, for example permission to location and whatever app we want to. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!